Grab yourself a jar, any jar will do, and listen carefully. You don't need anything fancy, just something with a lid. Mason jars, old jam jars, even a takeaway container if that's what you've got. The point is, you're making breakfast portable, practical, and personal. So clear a little space on your counter and let's get started. We're going to layer this like a work of art. Oats first, of course, the foundation of your breakfast. Use rolled oats, not the instant kind. They'll soak up the liquid overnight and become perfectly tender by morning. Pour in about half a cup, or more if you're feeling extra hungry. This is your canvas, so don't be shy. Then a good dollop of yogurt, Greek yogurt, none of that sugary rubbish. The yogurt adds creaminess, protein, and a bit of tang that balances out the oats. Go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt if you can. It's thick, it's rich, and it'll keep you full for hours. Spoon it right on top of the oats, spreading it out so every bite gets a bit of that goodness. Next, a drizzle of honey, just enough to sweeten things up. You don't need much. Let the natural flavors shine. If you prefer, you can swap in maple syrup or agave, but honey gives it that classic touch. Watch as it sinks into the yogurt and oats, promising a little sweetness in every spoonful. A sprinkle of chia seeds, for that extra bit of oomph, goes a long way. Chia seeds are tiny, but they pack a punch. They'll soak up some of the liquid overnight, giving your oats a lovely texture, and adding a boost of fiber and omega-3s. Plus, they make your breakfast look a bit fancy, don't you think? And then your fruit. Berries, bananas, get creative. This is where you can really have fun. Add a handful of blueberries, a few slices of banana, maybe some chopped apple or mango if you're feeling adventurous. The fruit not only adds natural sweetness and color, but also a burst of vitamins to kickstart your day. Don't be afraid to mix it up. Every morning can be a little different. Seal it up, chuck it in the fridge, and thank me in the morning. By the time you wake up, the oats will have soaked up all the flavors, the yogurt will be even creamier, and the fruit will be perfectly chilled. You'll have a breakfast that's ready to grab and go, no fuss, no stress. It's the breakfast of champions.